Here's Kiss. Kiss. Based off the band Kiss, and that's where Rocky got the name. Comes with 2 stickers. Hopefully they're bigger than Hermes. Honestly, she reminds me of like a Gucci type of like style. This is K1, K13. And today I'll be unboxing / reviewing Kiss. Now Kiss. Stone Ocean. Super hyped for that good anime. Yeah, so the stickers on Kiss are bigger than the Hermes. I feel like Hermes is such a funny name, Hermes. So in none of the promo pictures or poses, none of them like actually pose with the stickers, just kind of goofy. If you look at the instructions though, it probably will show you how to use them. Let me open it real quick. Remember when I used to say like no one ever uses it? Sometimes I guess if you're like a customizer, you have to want to get to know like where the joint parts are at, so you can take it apart. So there you go. So it's not even for the fingers. It's for like the back piece of her. Kind of goofy. All right. Let me show you the hands. So none of them hold. Well, maybe you can try to like hold one of them. Make a hold the gun that Hermes has. Dude, I stay dropping stuff in my videos, man. So this one has like a labios, mouth, lips. This one doesn't. This is probably just for like the pedestal. And then the hands. Then the alternate head. She kind of has those Echo's eyes. Well, it says 2 on the back of her head. Who knows why? Probably a manufacturing thing. She's not too bad. I've heard people like rip on her. Ooh. What's up with that that scarf? I didn't know it could flip flop or move around. She has that King Crimson shoulders. So she can't. Okay, she can do that. She can go 360. Her arms can move 360 pretty easily. On Hermes, it was kind of like, eh. Shoulder pads are staying on. I mean, elbow pads are staying on pretty good. Her taking out hands look pretty easily. Don't count on me that yet. Nope. Pretty easy to take out the hands. See at the head. That was easy to take off. Not immense pressure. Let's see the alternate head. Put it on. Perfect. No struggling. Let's put that on. Her detailing on her torso is pretty good. Gotta remove. Oh, one of her elbow pads just fell off. Yeah, that's one of the a lot of biggest complaints of super action statues. The elbow pads fall off pretty easily. Wow, she's pretty cool though. I like the way she looks. I can't wait to pose her. So I'll give like a little bit better ratings towards the end. But overall, she looks like an A to me. Part 6. People hate on her coloring, but I don't think that's like just a scheme. Like I feel like that's not like something you can grade her on. Detailing, color is pretty good. All right, see you in the conclusion video. Oh, actually, let me show you real quick the back piece. So you just go like this to cover that up, and then to take it off, it's pretty easy. And then this is for the pedestal. All right.